Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Podcast. Today's story is all about my daily routine. It's super easy, it's full of fun, it's very short and simple. You will love it. Repeat every sentence after me. Let's enjoy English together. So get ready, take a deep breath, smile big. Are you ready? Let's learn together.
I wake up at 6 a.m. The alarm rings. I don't like it, but I get up. I stretch my arms. I thank God. Another day begins. I go to the window. The sky looks soft. Birds are singing. It feels peaceful, but my heart is heavy. I go to the washroom. I wash my face. I look in the mirror. I see my tired eyes. I smile anyway. I am still alive. That's something. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. Warm water feels good. It relaxes me. Sometimes I cry silently. No one knows. The water hides my tears. I wear clean clothes. Simple clothes. Comfortable clothes. I tie my hair. I breathe deeply. It's time to move. It's time to live. I go to the kitchen. It's quiet. There, I make tea. I watch the steam. It dances in the air. It reminds me of dreams. Dreams I once had. Dreams I still hold. I toast some bread. I eat slowly, one bite at a time. I smile again. I open my laptop. Emails wait for me. Messages wait too. Work begins. I try to focus. Sometimes I can't. Memories come back. Pain comes back. But I keep going. I answer emails. I make calls. I write reports. I plan tasks. Work is hard, but I work hard. No one claps for me. Still, I clap for myself. I take breaks. I drink water. I walk a little, then I sit again, and I try again. It's 1 p.m. I feel hungry, but also tired. I cook something simple, rice and vegetables, sometimes just bread. I sit alone. I eat slowly. No phone, no TV, just me and my thoughts. I think of my mom. I miss her food. I miss her voice. Tears come again. I let them fall. Crying is okay. It helps. After lunch, I rest. I lie on my bed. I look at the ceiling. My mind speaks. It says many things. You are strong. You are weak. You are enough. I close my eyes. I don't sleep. I just breathe. I just breathe. Then, I get up. I make more tea. I start work again. Emails, tasks, writing. Sometimes I get bored. Sometimes I get inspired. But I always try. That's what matters. I clean my room. I fold my clothes. I wash the dishes. I light a candle. It smells like lavender. It calms my heart. I water the plants. They look happy. They give me peace. I go outside. I take a short walk. I watch the sunset. The sky turns orange. It's beautiful. It feels like magic. I take a deep breath. I whisper, "Thank you. Another day is ending. I made it through. I return home. I change into pajamas. Soft clothes feel nice. I make dinner. Sometimes it's soup. Sometimes it's just tea. I eat with gratitude. Not much food, but enough for me. I sit on the floor. I read a book, or I write my thoughts. Sometimes I write poetry, sad, honest poetry. It helps me heal. I talk to myself. I say, "You did well. You survived today." I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror again. This time, I smile wider. I sit on my bed. I fold my hands. I say,